Alright, let's see here. Let's go with some flaps. Hey, she just lifts right up, man.
Yeah, I think it'd take it longer. We had flaps down, though, didn't
we? Yep. Main thing is just keep your speed up in the turns.
Yeah, I remember that.
Well, she slows up real nice and everything. I mean, she's a good flying plane.
Okay.
I'd say it's probably, you know, I've flown a lot of EDFs, and I would say it's probably the easiest flying jet that I've put my hands on. I forgot my sunglasses.
That help?
Yeah. Yeah, actually it does, yeah.
Okay. Tell me if I move.
I had them right out on the table too. Oh, no wonder it's wonky. I got my flaps down still.
I might have an extra pair.
There we go. Now it's a little better.
What's that? We had your flaps
I had my flaps up, down.
Okay.
Forgot to turn them off.
You didn't have much speed with it. I didn't know if I was going to...
Oh, I haven't even put it on full throttle yet. I've just been kind of taking it easy since I haven't flown in 3 weeks. This is a little bit relearning curve.
Wow. Okay. No, it's such a pretty airplane.
I want to get another one actually, and then or do a repaint job on this one.
Yeah, I never repainted one. Remember that old, let me think what it is, Spitfire I got?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm thinking about redoing it. And, paint it all one color and then come back and put the camouflage on it.
I'm beginning to think you don't have a Rebel, Jim.
Well, you wouldn't believe the amount of time it takes with my wife. And I got a sound bar in yesterday. I hadn't even got all of it figured out yet.
Ooh, my hands are like numb already. Yeah, on one of the TVs. The other one, it's got a good speaker system in it, so all three of them come down. Yeah. Make one more pass and we'll land.
Oops, sorry.
Huh?
Oh,
no, you're fine. You're fine.
Yeah, especially on this go around. I don't want you to say, "Oh, I still blinded from the sun."
No, well, I need something to blame it on.
Well, you're.
All right, here we go. See right there, I'm just dead sticking it in until it loses some altitude, then I'll give it just a little touch of up.
Amazing the amount of push that thing has to have, that motor.
Oh yeah, it's a
I'll pick it up.